Bosio asoroboti orua yo omokonyi Bw'Ebunge Professor Abraham Kidure Kindiki togos kamotu bono nigo mwaziri we wizara y'oburendi bwaime Onesimus Kipchumba Murkomen nigo abekretene nibuna ababegu bose chigun abo bamusaganeta omuseneta bwe county ya Vihiga Godfrey Ososi na komutigera chingo machintindi meyomboganio yomo ime ya Kisumu nigo baliete bichuko na gotamakuru ime yense ya Kenya ukwana hekereka Bosio Bw'Ebunge Enene omugasorero nigo Murkomen aikeranire ose aenekire buna emeroberi ko abeka basabo 14 byara batamete nige egenderete nonya nigo omwaziri oyo nigo amochiri bororo emeroberi y'abana siasa bali okorobekana emense ya Kenya asekorengana nere nigo bali abakorobekana bari bibago amo na bayikwende talie abananchi babwate chimbwa chingia.
The Osotsi issue was the DCI circulated the pictures. As you said, some of them presented, 3 of them presented themselves. The rest of the 13 or 14 ran out of the country to the neighboring country. So, but the IG and the DCI are on them, working with the authorities in the neighboring country, and we will arrest all of them eventually. As soon as they step in this country, they will all be arrested. Mr. Chair, last, let me say as an example, now when we hear public protests, when the IG and the security team hear that there will be a public protest, like it happened in 2024, 2025, it's no longer a civilized protest, Mr. Chair. It's actually a mobilization of gangs and also mobilization of thieves and robbers. The cases that we saw in Nyandarua, Kiambu and Kikuyu areas, Muranga, Nyandarua, Kirinyaga, Meru, the pattern now in this Nairobi and its environment counties, and then Kitengela and Nairobi and Machakos. This area, Nairobi metropolitan area, and the counties in the central region of the country are now becoming an epicenter of protests that are organized with gangs, with criminals, and with robbers. So that when you hear a protest will happen, you know supermarkets are being targeted, shops are being targeted, security installations are being targeted. It has absolutely nothing to do with exercising political rights. And this is attributed directly to political activities of leaders.